We have ourselves another Silver Tempest ETB. Let's open it up. So what we got here is our book. And let's get this cracked open here. We should have 8 packs in here, and then we got our dividers, our cards, our dice, and our chips. All the normal stuff. So let's see what we got. Chinchu, Medite, Dupiter, Ponyta, Bennett, Wallace, and wah, wah. Hawlucha? Pikachu. And wah, wah. This is pack 3. Let's see if we can get something. Dratini, Clink, Stunfisk, Esper, Clink, and Skuntank. Wow, look at him. So cool. Get him up there. Seems like you play a skunk, other people would not want to play against you, right? Zubat, Fungas. Alright, Corviknight. Oh man. So cool. I don't know about him. I'm going to check him out. Okay. Swablu, Rodham, Dreepy, Fungus, and Unknown. Now I don't have this Unknown. I have the full. I don't have this one. So let's see what that is. All right, cool. Murkrow. Bellum, Baltoy, Sunkern, Rodham, wah, wah. That old Baltoy, Sunkern, Indeedee, Marini, Sandy Gas, and wah, wah. And our last pack. T-Bass. No bet. Check that one out. Oh, that's a cool Radiant Serini and Chestnut. Very cool. Wow. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.